Hey everyone, so I'm just going to be showing you the Michelin Optimum wipers because I needed to get a wiper that wasn't insanely expensive, but I wanted to get a good one because look at this. This happened to my new, I don't even know, these are like no-name wipers here. After 2 weeks, this is what happened. Look at this. And the only reason I even got these wipers is because where I get my car fixed, they were like, oh, you need new wipers. You want me to put them on? And they put on whatever these are. This started coming out and then that happened. So anyways, I want to show these Michelin Optimum. This is the Premium Beam Ultra Quiet and Long Life. These are the 16-inch. Of course, make sure you get the ones that fit your car. But these are really good. It's really smooth. Wipes off all the rain. 1.5 million wipes, durability tested, curved frameless design crafted to fit your windshield. They're heavy duty. Guaranteed satisfaction. It says heavy weather, heavy rain, sleet, snow, and extreme heat. And the reason that I actually want to show these is because they curve, and I think it's really neat how they curve. Video not sponsored. This is a frameless curved beam design crafted to fit the curvature of your windshield. Infinite pressure points for smooth, streak-free wipes and improved visibility. So that is what I want to show. I'm going to read the back here. They hug your windshield like a Michelin tire hugs the road. Okay, so this has a fast lock connector, fast and easy installation, frameless curved beam, even pressure distribution, enhanced performance and durability, premium rubber with advanced coating, smooth, quiet operation, tested over 1.5 million wipes, and aerodynamic design, sleek design with built-in spoiler, grips windshield under the toughest conditions. So this is how you install them. Just super, super easy. To be honest, I didn't even read the directions. I just put it on. I mean, if I can put it on, anyone can put it on. So let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here it is out of the package. As you can see when I hold it up, it is a curved design. It just seems like it's made really well. It looks like it's a really good quality. And it's not crazy expensive, you see. And here's the wiper itself. But this part right here, it really, really seems good. I mean, let's just compare this wiper to this. Look at this. Look at this. You see how this is like made? Whatever brand this is. This is just like complete crap. Look at that. 2 weeks. And look at this. So much better. Okay, so this, I just pulled it out. But this was in here like this. Okay. So whenever you pull this out, I thought this was kind of weird. It says the same thing on both sides. It says to avoid installation in direct sunlight or freezing temperatures. Well, guess what? I installed this in direct sunlight and it was freezing temperatures because where I live, it's just freezing outside all the time. So I couldn't avoid that. And it was sunlight. It was like bright sunlight. It wasn't a cloudy day and I had to install the new wipers. And I don't have a garage or anything, so whatever. But I did that and it was fine. And you see this here? It's just so easy to install. And I don't really know anything about cars. I mean, I know like very, very little. And I can install this. And it also came with this. Let me open these. Okay, so for my vehicle, I didn't need to use either one of these. I just used the pre-installed connector. You can see it's already on. That's what I used. But there is this little guide if you do need to use the side pin with lock, top lock. It's all explained in these instructions here. Guys, I'm going to show you how the wiper wipes. I don't know how good you can see that, but it's a really nice, clean, quick wipe. You see how the water just comes off right away. So again, I think these wipers are amazing. I just kind of wanted to show what they look like up close. If anybody was interested, again, that is the Michelin Optimum Premium Beam Ultra Quiet and Long Life Wiper. Thanks for watching. Please share.